Eto na si Amy Marcos, girls and boys to the highest level. Yung questioning niya, di ba? Pero sobrang tamad niya magbasa, no? Yung nag-hearing lang siya para mapansin ng mga DDS. Pakinggan nyo, the way siya magbasa dito, talagang nakaka-proud. At siya yung isa sa senator natin. Senadors. Ano?
Okay. On the 18th of February, the President said, "My position has not changed. I have stated it often, even before I took office as President, that there are many questions about ICC's jurisdiction and that we here in the Philippines regard as an intrusion into our internal matters and a threat to our sovereignty." Does the DFA agree with this statement?
Tignan nyo yung picture ni PBBM, oh.
And do we abide by this position until today? Anyone from the DFA, please?
Madam Chair, good morning.
Yes, you recognize, Yusek.
Yes, thank you. Well, as I speak right now, the Philippines is not a member of the ICC. And the DFA defers to the Department of Justice as the implementing agency when it comes to cooperation on ICC matters. Madam Chair.
Yes, so to the best of your knowledge and in the consideration of the DFA, we are not a member of the ICC.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. And the DOJ having been referred to, may I call on Secretary Remulla, please, to clarify this issue.
We are not members of the ICC, ma'am. So, whatever relationship we have with the ICC is on an arm's length basis if we have to talk to them. But we have never spoken to them.
I'm sorry, Secretary, I didn't hear you. Whatever relationship we have...
It's on an arm's length basis, meaning very transparent if ever. But we have never spoken to
Alam mo
them.
yun?
Arm's length.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have had contact even at
No, no.
arm's length?
We do not have any contact. What we're saying is we are very transparent about what we do, and we have never had any contact with the ICC.
Yes.
So you uphold the statement of the President saying that the ICC has no jurisdiction here in the Philippines. Is that correct?
Ma'am, jurisdiction of the ICC...
Alam mo, yan yung pagkakaiba ni Marcos sa kanya, ni Amy Marcos sa kanya, ni President Bongbong Marcos. Si Amy Marcos, more on siya yung kaartehan sa buhay. She refuses to look at the lower side of those who were victimized by the EJK. Kahit na pinapalabas niya na parang nakikipagsimpatya siya. But I believe and I feel that it's not wholehearted. Diba? It's not wholeheartedly taken by Amy Marcos. This is very disappointing sa part ng mga na biktima. 'Di ba? Yun yung sinasabi ng karamihan na yan si Amy Marcos na mamangka sa dalawang ilog. Kapag alam niyang medyo tumatagilid siya ngayon, she will look for a step to take, 'di ba? Para mahugot niyo yung linya niya. Strategy. Mga DDS, you are being strategized by Amy Marcos. Kasi kahit pa paano alam nyo sa sarili nyo, not all but most, diba, na kung sino yung pumanig kay Duterte iboboto nyo. Kahit si Kibuloy, si Bato, si Robin Padilla, diba, basta pumanig lang regardless of the credential, the credibility, the ability, or whatever yung considering factor to be a real senator. Still, basta pumanig kay Duterte, pumanig sa mga Duterte, you will vote for them. Diba? Yan yung yan yung yung parang legacy ng DDS. Yung utak nyo is central. I believe parang hypnotized kayo, no? Hindi nyo ba alam na ang mga tanging na hypnotized lang ay yung may mga weak minds? Emotional minds, weak minds, ganun. Tapos, yun, nangyari, naging emotional yung mga tao because of the doings of, or the deeds of those DDS already. Diba? Nakakapikon. Ang statement dito ni ng DOJ Secretary Remulla daw. We surrendered as citizen. Siyempre, para sa kanyang crime, di ba? Pero, hindi naman ibig sabihin na papabayaan na doon. We will still help former President Rodrigo Duterte if in accordance with the law. Di ba? We surrendered as citizen, but not the country. Diba? Ganun naman lang talaga yun. Hindi naman tayo sinurrender nila. It's just, alam naman natin na sobrang hirap makuha yung hustisya. Especially during yung time na si Duterte pa. Ngayon naman, ang point dito ni Amy Marcos, para i-shortcut na natin kasi pinanood ko yan. Ang point dito ni Amy Marcos, kung noon hindi okay yung sistema, tas mas okay pa lang ngayon. So, sana ngayon kayo nag-file ng mga, talaga madam? Tagal-tagal na ng panahon na yun eh. Saka, na-process na yung mga final doon, hindi pwedeng hugutin yun, tas ma-file para lang magpabor sa lahat ng mga gusto nyo. No. Kung ako yung apektado and I'm one of the victims na nakasurvive, I won't do that at all. Cause. Diba? Mga nagko-comment, mga nagko-comment dito, protect Amy at all cost. Diyos ko, talaga lang, B. Protektahan nyo si Amy Marcos. Di ba? Regardless of the credential, credibility, love to the country, di ba? Basta you support Duterte, DDS will vote for you. Kibuloy, Robin Padilla, Bato, Amy Marcos, Alan Peter Cayetano, sino pa? Lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa Duterte, regardless of the credibility and credentials, you deserve to be voted by DDS. Ganun kayo mga DDS. Diba? Kakagigil kayo.
Throughout the world, we belong to a community of nations that is tied together by a legal system called international humanitarian law. It is something adopted by more than 150 countries in the world. International humanitarian law, which became a law in 2009 or 2010. And that law, that domestic law, is what we adhere to in this case.
Are you referring to RA 9851?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you indicated the date was 2009, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Wala ka nang
therefore,
masabi.
we are not members of the ICC.
We are not members of the ICC since President Duterte withdrew our membership in 2018, effective 2019.
Yeah.
Okay. That being the position of the DILG, I assume that Secretary Remulla in the DILG also maintains the same.
Yes, ma'am. I defer to the wisdom of the Department of Justice.
And the PNP, General Marbil, please.
Yes, Madam Chair.
Alam mo,
Thank you. Is that
parang ino-overthrow ito lang based on what I understand, parang ino-overthrow ni Amy Marcos yung weight ng police officers, di ba? Ng DILG secretary. Parang ganun. Pero syempre, mas tenured sila eh. Mas may experience sila sa ganyan. So, mas alam nila yung gagawin kahit hindi nila sabi na they can term by term, word per word, mai-explain ang mga bagay-bagay. It's still, alam nila na nag-adhere sila eh. And they were given the chance, especially sa arrest ni former president, to explain what's going on. Pinapalalal nyo lang eh. Mga DDS talaga din eh. Mga DDS, kayo lang din naghilahan, kayo lang din nag-aaway-away, kayo lang din nagkakagulo-gulo, kayo lang din naglulugmok sa mga pinuno nyo, kayo lang din nagbibigay ng napakapangit na impression sa Pilipinas. Ganun yun. Diba? Tapos ang understanding nyo sa mga sinasabi ng mga pro-government, super baliktad. Di ko na alam. Dati ba kayong alien? Bagay sa Amy. Anyway guys, yan lang naman. Sobrang 10 minutes pa talaga to. Dami natin chika. Si Amy kasi nakakagigil. Alam nyo na. Iboto nyo na. Diba?